Guys, find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of the matrix. Let A equal to 1, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 3, 1, 1. This is the character equation of A for finding the eigenvalues, that is lambda cube minus s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda minus s3 equal to 0. We have to find s1, s2 and s3. S1 equal to sum of leading diagonal elements. These are the diagonal elements, that is 1 plus 5 plus 1 equal to 7. S2 is equal to sum of minor of leading diagonal elements. This is the diagonal element. We have to leave this row and this column and write these things 5, 1, 1, 1. Then again plus this is the diagonal element. Leave this row, this column and write remaining things 1, 3, 3, 1. Then plus is the third diagonal element. Leave this row, this column. Then write these things 1, 1, 1, 5. Then 5 1 is 5 minus 1 plus 1 1 is a 1 minus 3 3 is a 9 plus 1 5 is a 5 minus 1 1 is a 1. Then 4 minus 8 plus 4 equal to 4. 8 minus 8 equal to 0. Then S3 is equal to data of A. This is A. 1 of 5 1 is a 5 minus 1. Then again minus 1 of 1 1 is a 1 minus 1 3 is a 3. Then plus 3 of 1 1 is 1 minus 5 3 is a 15. Then 1 of 5 minus 1 4. 1 minus 3 minus 2, 1 minus 15 minus 14, then 4 plus 2 minus 42, 6 minus 42 equal to minus 36. We have found S1, S2 and S3. We have to substitute S1, S2 and S3 in this characteristic equation. Lambda cube minus S1 is 7 lambda square plus S2 is 0 lambda minus S3 is minus 36. Lambda cube minus 7 lambda square plus 36 equal to 0. We have to find these eigenvalues by using calci. How to find? I will give you the link in the description. You can find the video. How to find these eigenvalues? We get lambda equal to 3, 6, minus 2. These are the eigenvalues. Now we have to find eigenvectors. For finding the eigenvectors, this is the formula A minus lambda I into x equal to 0. This is the A. Then minus lambda I is identity matrix x1, x2, x3, then 0, 0, 0. We are multiplying lambda with identity matrix. Lambda into 1, lambda, lambda into 1, lambda, like this. Then again 1 minus lambda, 1 minus 0, 1, 3 minus 0, 3, 1 minus 0, 1, then 5 minus lambda, 1 minus 0, 1, 3 minus 0, 3, 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus lambda. Then x1, x2, x3 equal to 0, 0, 0. We have to multiply this row with this column. That is 1 minus lambda into x1 plus 1 into x2, x2 plus 3x3 equal to 0. Then this row with this column. 1 into x1, x1 plus 5 minus lambda into x2 plus 1 into x3, x3 equal to 0. Then this row with this column. 3x1 plus 1 into x2, x2 plus 1 minus lambda into x3 equal to 0. We have found eigenvalues, right? That is 3, 6, 2. We have to substitute these things in this equation. That is equation A. 1 minus 3 minus 2x1 plus x2 plus 3x3 equal to 0. Then x1 plus 5 minus 3 equal to 2. 2x2 plus x3 equal to 0. Then 3x1 plus x2 plus 1 minus 3 minus x2 x3 equal to 0. Then we have to take any two equations, that is either 1 2, 2 3 or 3 1. Now here I am taking 1 and 2 equation. X1 divided by 1 3 2 1 equal to x2 divided by 3 minus 2 1 1. Then x3 divided by minus 2 1 1 2. Then x1 divided by 1 1 is 1 minus 3 2 is 6. x2 divided by 3 1 is 3 minus of minus 2 into 1 minus 2. x3 divided by minus 2 into 2 minus 4 minus 1 into 1 1. x1 divided by minus 5, x2 divided by 5, x3 divided by minus 5. Eigenvectors for lambda equal to 3 is x1 equal to minus 5, 5, minus 5. We can write this like this also, minus 1, 1, 1. Now we have to find eigenvectors for lambda equal to 6. 1 minus 6 minus 5 x1 plus x2 plus 3 x3 equal to 0. Then x1 plus 5 minus 6 minus 1 x2 plus x3 equal to 0. Then 3 x1 plus x2 plus 1 minus 6 minus 5 x3 equal to 0. Then x1 divided by 1 1 is 1 minus 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Then x2 divided by 3 1 is 3 minus minus 5 into 1 minus 5. Then x3 divided by minus 5 into minus 1 5 minus 1 1 is 1. x1 divided by 4, x2 divided by 8, x3 divided by 4. Eigenvector for lambda equal to 6 is 4 8 4, that is 1 2 1. Now lambda for lambda equal to minus 2. 1 minus of minus 2, 3x1 plus x2 plus 3x3 equal to 0. For 3x1 plus x1 plus 5 minus of minus 2, 7x2 plus x3 equal to 0. Then 3x1 plus x2 plus 1 minus of minus 2, 3x3 equal to 0. Then x1 divided by 1 1 is 1 minus 7 3 is 21 equal to x2 divided by 3 1 is 3 minus 3 1 is 3 equal to x3 divided by 3 7 is 21 minus 1. Then x1 divided by minus 20, x2 divided by 0, x3 divided by 20. Eigenvector for lambda equal to minus 2 is x3 equal to minus 20, 0, 20 or minus 1, 0, 1. Thank you.